Here's how you build a funding sequence from scratch. First and foremost, you want to get your client intake form. You want to understand your client's credit score, their business revenue, their existing banking relationships, and their actual location. It's going to be very, very important. Then you want to move over to the 3 Ws. 3 Ws, the first one is where. You want to understand where your client is located and what banks are in their footprint so that you can fund them through those banks. Next, you want to move over to the what. The what is basically what product serves your client the best. If they're a startup, maybe 0% interest business credit cards. And if they're an existing established business, maybe a line of credit or a term loan. Last but not least, you want to understand the when. This is very, very important. Understanding which banks are inquiry sensitive and which ones are not can really help you and be the difference in you having a 50K client or a 100K client. So understand what order to actually apply for them in. So last but not least, you want to go to the funding sequence, right? Once you have that funding sequence, this is the order you need to actually fund your client. You want to go through their existing relationships first because they're more likely to lend to them and give them higher limits. Next, you want to go to your inquiry sensitive lenders like Barclays, get them out the way first because they're inquiry sensitive. Next, you want to go to your less inquiry sensitive bank like an American Express. And last but not least, if they have a cash flowing business, try the alternative lending route where you can get them lines of credit, MCAs, whatever the case may be. I actually made a full breakdown of this video on YouTube. If you want me to send you the link to the video, comment YT below.